FLIR SI2 Series Industrial Acoustic Imaging Camera. Sound solutions for saving energy, finding faults, and reducing operational costs. Imagine a world where nothing escapes your notice. Pressurized leaks, partial discharges, mechanical faults, all detectable with a camera that transforms the invisible into insight. With FLIR SI2 Series acoustic imaging cameras, you can safeguard your equipment against the unforeseen. 124 sensitive microphones easily pick up the sounds of compressed air or specialty gas leaks, so you can prioritize repairs. And with on-camera software to quantify leak rates and associated costs in real time, you'll see the savings add up, turning the tide on operational costs. Bearing faults can't hide from the SI2 acoustic imaging camera. Advanced diagnostics enable you to detect mechanical faults early, so you can plan repairs and keep machinery running smoothly and safely. At the substation, the SI2 series helps you navigate the invisible threat of partial discharge with ease. With on-camera and in-software severity assessment, the SI2 empowers you to identify and classify partial discharge issues before they escalate. Our most advanced acoustic imaging model, the SI2 offers automatic frequency tuning and hones in on the right signals, while the 12-megapixel camera and digital zoom bring details into sharp focus on the crystal-clear touchscreen. Built for the rigors of the industrial world, the SI2 stands up to the toughest environments with an IP54 rating for water and dust, ensuring your operations never skip a beat due to equipment sensitivity. FLIR SI2 acoustic imaging cameras integrate seamlessly with your fleet management system, offering cloud data access and over-the-air software updates. FLIR SI2 Series Industrial Acoustic Imaging Camera for pressurized leaks, mechanical fault, and partial discharge detection. With the FLIR SI2 series, you have the knowledge to act, not react, with operations that are proactive, safeguarded, and streamlined. This isn't just maintenance, it's a strategic advantage. Learn more at FLIR.com.